From the floor at the Mining News Select and Future Mining Conferences, I am here with Alma Metals, Fraser Tabia. Now, you've got some drill rigs down in your Queensland project at Briggs. Can you tell us, can you give us a bit more of an update?
Yeah, so we recently put out a resource update on that project, and we're back out with the drill rig to try and both grow it, but also chasing up some higher grade positions within the main resource that we've got there. So it's quite important to us to get a bit of market confidence that there are some nice high grade zones there that might support an early 3 to 5 year starter pit.
Now, speaking of market confidence, when can investors expect results?
Well, we just started the drilling program recently, so we put out our resource update about 2 months ago. So we've now got over 400 million tonnes of mineralisation at 0.25% copper. So there's over 1 million tonnes of metal in the ground. The drilling program recommenced about 3-4 weeks ago, so we would expect to see assays flowing from that in about 6 weeks' time, and then going through with assay results all the way through to the end of the year.
And now, you said that the public can often get confused with high grade. You've often said that low grade can be just as valuable.
Yeah, that's right. I think the key thing for people to focus on is what are your operating costs. So this project has scale and it's right at surface, so that means you can get very low mining costs per unit of copper. And if you've got good metallurgy, which our preliminary results indicate that we have, and good infrastructure, because we're only 60 kilometres from Gladstone, then you've got a very high chance of a very low cost mining. So grade becomes less of an issue. It's all about what's your C1 cost going to be.
And what's the next step for the Briggs project?
Drilling and more drilling. Our goal is to substantiate a high-grade zone within that resource, which we can then use as the basis for a scoping study that we'd like to get underway next year.
Thank you so much for your time, Fraser.
Pleasure.